Children, let us today we are going to discuss about tobacco abuse. Previous class we discussed about the child abuse and the drugs and the addiction of drugs and what are the different types of drugs and how we will be recover from the drugs addiction. Today we are going to discuss about tobacco abuse. Tobacco is already known very well. It is contains with a poisonous content is called nicotine. So, tobacco is obtained from the plants Nicotina tabacum or Nicotina rustica. This is a plant which can be cultivated. That cultivated plant which consists of young leaves and dried leaves can be made into the tobacco. This tobacco which causes disease like a cancer. This all very well known by everyone, but how many people are care about that? That health hazards which is comes from this kind of a poisonous content nicotine that is obtained from the tobacco. So, this is a one stimuli. Okay. This stimuli which makes a addiction to the tobacco is due to the nicotine in alkaloid which is present in it. Smoking hazards and effects of tobacco, and what are the effect which can be because of the smoking. First one is smoking is a carcinogenic causing lung cancer. So, lung cancer which is very dangerous one that the people are suffered with a lot of severe complications. Okay, very difficult to recover from this disease. And second one is bronchitis and pulmonary tuberculosis. Okay, nowadays the people are smoking in public places, that will be transferred to the neighbors. It is most dangerous one. And third one is emphysema. What is emphysema means? Which is a lungs consists of alveoli, the part which is a pack like structure which inhaling oxygen into through the blood. So, lungs is the most important organ in our body which purifying our blood, that was takes place in your lungs. So, it is a most important organ which is affected because of the smoking. So, smoking consists of a nicotine content which is called as a stimuli which create in the exchange of gases. That means, when we work we need all the cells and tissues get to be tired. So, that will carry a impure blood, that blood consists of carbon monoxide, okay. That called impure blood. That impure blood be purified in the center is called lungs. So, lungs is exchanging the gases of oxygen and surface of area which is content with the alveoli, that will be affected by the nicotine, okay, in which we inhaling the smoke inside, it will be reach into our lungs, the lungs which consists of a blood, and that blood will be carries the nicotine content. It also affect the tissues, that tissues are made into be transferred to the further tissues, it will be a cancer transmitted one by one. So, this is emphysema is a most dangerous disease which is a base for transfer of cancer. And the third one is a carbon monoxide, that is called a hypoxemia. This hypoxemia means nothing but it is a decreasing oxygen level in our blood. So, that what will be happen, that will be we get the breathing problem, that will makes a fluctuation in a heartbeat. Okay. It is a leads to the heart attack. And next one is a increased blood pressure, that is called, everyone knows about BP, used to say the BP, that is nothing but blood pressure. If your blood pressure which is fluctuation in the body, definitely it leads to affect the brain, kidney, heart and major organs will be affected very severely. And next one is increasing a gastric secretion. So, in digestive system gastric secretion is level of increases, and what will be happen, that is a digestive problem also will be created, it leads to the ulcer in our body, it will leads to the ulcer, it is also one kind of a major disease. And last one is a oral cancer. Some people may use the tobacco as a chewing, some people may use it as a snuffing. Snuffing means inhaling a tobacco through the nose, and chewing means they are be chewing with the tobacco with that was making to the oral cancer. The oral cancer which is to be generally it is noticed through the cigarette packet also. Let us I will show that packet now. Oral cancer which is to be most dangerous one, when we inhaling the cigarettes, what will be happen, there will be a certain death will be confirmed. So, there will be written tobacco causes painful death. This is instruction also given in the cigarette packets. Let us see the cigarette packet. there will be a picture also given as a oral cancer. It is the most dangerous. We know it when we buy this people from the shop, they are looking the picture, but they are not care about it. They are very carelessly they are be smoking, that also affected the neighbors. Okay. It is how much it was indisciplined activity happening in the society. So, student, let us you advise them, advise means let awake or awareness will be created among the society. It is a very bad habit. It also makes your lifespan will be less. If you smoke one cigarette and you are losing 1 day in your lifespan. Okay. India average the life for the Indian people is 60 to 70. In other countries like China and Japan, averagely people are living for 80 to 90. Okay. This is very commonly you have to understand the factor, and the no tobacco day will be celebrated in the day of May 31st. Okay. It also understand this. This is a anti-tobacco day. By the way, the act also in World Health Organization WHO also instructed that any smoking scenery or anything smoke related advertisement comes on a TV, there will be a words, it is compulsorily written, smoking is injurious to the health. Let us learn, children, this is all the awakening words that also keep our health well and good. Be careful, be aware about this smoking. Children, this is an experiment which is show that the effect of tobacco which affect our lungs. Okay. Just to consider this, in that experiment there is a, I took a bottle which is filled with a colored water, that colored water which means that is a, it is a blood. Just imagine it is a lungs. Okay. Someone is smoking through the mouth, what will be happen? The smoke is goes inside, okay. That pull the blood carries already it is a carbon, that will be impure blood will be there. Suppose lungs is making purifying the oxygenated blood. Okay. Now, the blood is in pure form in a lungs, but what we are inhaling smoke, that smoke go inside, that automatically that will be blood content will be increasing the pressure. Okay. Now, the blood is circulated automatically, the smoke pull the blood and passing through it. It also the flow of blood also will be faster. So, what will be happen? That will be increased in the blood pressure also. So, if you increase in the blood pressure, it affect the organ like the heart and lungs also. Okay. It will be a fluctuation of the blood circulation. By the way, the smoke which is enter into the lungs that is consists of a nicotine as a drugs, and another one is a hydrogen cyanide. This is one of the poisonous content. Okay. It included into the blood getting to be more fat, that will be fat accumulated. That fat accumulated, it makes a block in the capillaries. Okay. That block will be happen, what will happen? That will be stroke will be confirmed, and heart attack, and that one is a cancer. These are three content will be naturally happen. The experiment what it shows that all the smoking will pull the water or a blood here, and will be pulling out. Now, the gas will be filled into it. Okay. Now, I am keeping that. Now, the gases are filled into the bottle. Okay. So, that the blood will be passing through into the outside. Okay. Now, I wanted to what I wanted to do. Now, all the gases I want to pull up. Okay. What will be happen? That all the nicotine content will be deposited on the one filter paper. Okay. That I will show that how the filter paper depositing the nicotine. Okay. This will be the demonstration about this experiment or the effect of the smoking in our lungs. Okay, children. Now, I will let you show that the filter paper which is affected with the nicotine is deposited on the filter paper on the surface. Let I show that how much the smoke particles are deposited on the paper. This is a deposition of the nicotine on the filter paper. Such the same way the nicotine which is to be alkaloid, it will be affect our lungs. This will be a single cigarette makes such a changes, means someone is smoking for 5 or 6 cigarettes, what will be happen? Definitely there will be a lot of blood coagulation, that also leads to the heart attack. Okay. The unnecessary fat molecules are deposited, it makes a block, and it will leads to the stroke, heart attack, blood pressure, ulcer, and oral cancer. Okay, children. From that you understand that the tobacco is a most dangerous content. You should not smoke from that issue. Okay. You educate someone also. Now, next one, the next topic I am going to teach about alcoholism. What is alcohol? Alcohol is a consumption of the alcohol is called alcoholism. The people nowadays are very easy to drink that is alcohol from there is available shops. Okay. This is a uneducated indisciplined activity, everyone knows about it. Now, the people are very lethargic on the part of the alcohol, but they may not know about the effect of alcohol in our human body. Okay. Consumption of ethanol actually in the chemist it was a industrial purpose. Now, people once used to drink it and it will affect our brain, lungs and main organs in our body. Then what are the harmful effect of alcohol? One is a nerve cell damages. What is a nerve cell? Nerve cell is a neuron which is related to our connection of all the metabolic activity, that will be damages by a alcohol. They lose their conscious, okay, due to the alcoholism. Okay, that will be a small brain is affected very severely, which is a most important part of our body controlling the all the sense organs. Okay, in the picture also given there is various organs related to the alcohol effect. The affecting body like a lack of coordination, blurred or reduced vision, dilation of the blood, liver damage and body losses, and its control the consciousness. So, alcohol also one of the dangerous abuse. You should not drink for any occasions. Okay, this is a very important content. And next one is rehabilitation measures to the alcoholics. How to rehabilitate these people, those who are affected with alcoholism? First one is education and counseling. The people those who are severely affected with alcoholism, the family will be striving for even a food. Okay, it is a very miserable life for them. How to recover or recapitulate from their bad habits? First one is education and counseling. So, we should educate them, this is a bad habit, and counseling them, it is a easily come out from these habits. Okay, that is a very important content. Second one is physical activity. They will be physically and mentally they will be very affected, that people are encouraged and that people are counseled with love and affection. We have to give some physical activity or a yoga, exercise and mind training will be given by the specialist. And third one is seeking help from the parents and the peer groups. Okay. What it mean that the parents from the side they will be should not ignore the people those who are affected with alcoholism. They will be consider their they are affected with a certain bad behavior because of the certain situation, that we have to be love them and make them to be cheer up with all the events. We definitely we should respect among the people once they are come out from their bad behavior. And fourth one is medical assistance, it is also very important. They are be healthily affected with certain organs, there will be treated slowly and they will be pick up from their life will be good in manner. Disease and disorders due to the lifestyle modifications. It is another disease which is related to the diabetes mellitus. Okay. What is diabetes mellitus? Normally the people are used to have the food as a regular content. Okay. That makes the regular pattern of food habits makes them to be miserable. Means regular habit of food eating means is unhealthy and unhygienic food. At the same time there will be no exercise, no physical activity, they are be not able to change their lifestyle. This is all the disease comes affect our body, and the particularly diabetes also it comes like that only. And diabetes is nothing but the running through the mellitus, that means sweet. Okay. What it will be? Every carbohydrate or protein or vitamin, that every content which has the certain amount of a sweet content, that will be enter into our and will be as a converted as a blood sugar, that means glycogen. Okay. That makes to be blood glucose level will be increases, that leads to the disease like that diabetes mellitus. That means the normal blood level will be, everyone knows about this 80 to 140, then more than that will be severely affected. That deficient or failure is called due to insulin secretion. Okay. That kind of a disease also leads to the some insulin deficiency. This is the most common pancreatic endocrine disorder. Okay. There are two types of insulin dependent diabetes. One is a type 1 that we called as a IDDM, that is insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. That is a juvenile onset diabetes that leads to 10 to 20% children and young adults. Okay. And destruction of the beta cells of the pancreas. And third one is abnormally elevated blood glucose level. These are the three major connected reasons for getting this disease like a diabetes. Okay. Next one is type 2. This is a non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, that is NIDDM. This is 80 to 90% of adult will be severely affected this disease. Insulin production by the pancreas is normal, but its action is impaired. It is a commonly the disease will comes to the people. What are the symptoms for the type 2 diabetes? One is increased blood glucose, that is called hyperglycemia. Second one is increased urine output, that is called polyuria. Third one is loss of water leads to the thirst, is called polytipsia. And fourth one is excessive glucose excreted in urine, that is called glycosuria. Excess hunger we call it as a polyphagia, and fatigue and loss of weight. So, what are these kind of symptoms? Some people may suffering these kind of symptoms, they are definitely they have to meet a doctor and consult with them, they find it what kind of a disease in which suffering. Okay. This is also important. How to prevent the diabetes, that is called prevention and control of the diabetes. First one is dietary management. So, diet is the most important in our lifestyle. So, you just maintain the diet which is available in our native. Native means our hometown, that kind of food will be fit for your health, that everyone knows about it. So, diet means the hygienic and healthy food will be taken by you, that means prompt in time, that is a very time management is also a very important for the dietary management, and management with insulin. So, insulin secretion when it will be decreases or secretion has certain excess, this are also a defect. So, that maintain the insulin level, okay, by various physical activity is very important for the people. Okay. Exercise, yoga and meditation, make your life to be cheerful with reading books, writing as any interested your hobbies, that also makes your life to be well and good. And physical activity, it is the most important. I told you the exercise, most probably walking, cycling, swimming, these are three major activity is necessary for the every human being. And fourth one is education and awareness. Let us understand the disease and go through your life. Okay. You must change your lifestyle if it is any disorder in your body. Next one is obesity. Obesity is a common content for the any people. Nowadays people lifestyle will be changed. Why? Because the technology makes everyone to be more lazy. Okay. The physical activity when it will be less, our body weight will be increases. So, how to calculate our BMI? BMI can be calculated by using this formula, weight by height, weight in kg, height in meter square. So, that we will get the BMI value. The BMI value which is to be according to your height, your body weight will be maintained. For example, I am telling that you are in 175 height means minus it for 100, you minus it 75 kg will be a normal. More than 75 will be abnormal, okay. And later if you more than that, that will be called as a obesity. So, excess weight is called obesity, that leads to all the diseases come to your body, and that will be recovered with a lot of steps will be taken by you. So, it makes a hazards, is a harmful one. Okay. So, always to maintain your body weight will be a normal. If it is overweight and the obesity also makes your life miserable. First one is the prevention and control the obesity is diet management. So, diet management is the most important for prevention. Second one is physical exercise. It is a common for all disease never comes to you if you do exercise regularly. Next, heart disease. Heart is a major role in our body, everyone knows about it. The heart is a pumping our blood entire parts of the body. Okay. That heart which is to be 72 times per minute will be pumping from the blood throughout the body. That heart which is wonderful organs naturally will run without rest. Okay. Such a wonderful heart will be affected because of the certain modification or certain bad habits, certain inactive, this all the reason for heart diseases comes to us. Okay. Sometimes heredity also a problem for the some people. Now, heart will be with the function with most energetically. Okay. So, normally heart is major organ, most of the people are affected nowadays. CHD, what is deposition of the cholesterol in the blood vessels, that is a coronary heart disease. Coronary heart disease which is happened because of the deposition of the cholesterol in the blood vessels. This is due to laziness, that is a less physical activity, otherwise more fatty or unhygienic food will be taken by them. Okay. This is a major reason for CHD. And plaque, they may be from a fatty streak or a fibrous complicated plaque, that is atherosclerosis. This is called a calcium deposition in our blood vessels. This also leads to the stroke or heart attack. This also one kind of a heart disease commonly happen to that. So, atherosclerosis is a myocardial infarctions and second one is ischemia. These are two kind of a disease which is affected because of the atherosclerosis. Okay. So, that what will be, that will be very major type of disease happen to our body. So, you keep your heart always to be in normal mode with your physical exercise. What are the risk factors for coronary heart diseases? First one is hypercholesteremia. This hypercholesteremia is also a one type of a block which is happen in the arteries. Okay. This cholesteremia disease will be due to fatty deposition. Second one is high BP and severe damage to the brain, kidney leads to stroke. So, fluctuating blood pressure also leads to the damage to your brain, kidney and your stroke also. So, it is a very major disease which can be cured by the doctor when you approach very earlier. The earlier approach is very important and take a doctor advice and according to you they will prescribe the good medicines for you. Okay. What are the causes for the CHD? Okay. One is heredity. So, heredity is a common for transfer from the generation, that is one generation to another generation. It also changeable by your lifestyle. Okay. That is a very important. Second is obesity. It is obesity is maintained by your body structure and that will be by your exercise and your activity. And third one is smoking. Already I told you smoking causes injurious. So, smoking is a major role for heart diseases and fourth one is alcoholism. So, alcohol also a major role for CHD, that is a coronary heart disease. And what are the symptoms for this disease? One is shortness of breath. Okay. Suddenly breathing problem comes means definitely you consult with the doctor, and headache, dizziness and chest pain. Okay. These are the symptoms for the CHD. Prevention and control of heart disease is also very important. Prevention is better than cure, that is a very important. So, that diet management, low calories food will be taken, and second one is diet rich polyunsaturated fatty acids, that is commonly everyone knows this polyunsaturated fatty acids means contained with a lot of minerals and seeds. Okay. This all contained with the green vegetables. Okay. That nuts also one of the major role which play for the unsaturated fatty acids, and fiber diet, but probably green vegetables are fiber diets. So, you have to be advisable for such a diet, and fruits and vegetables. And physical activity, regular exercise most important for the heart affected persons, definitely they have to go for walking, and for secondly walking and yoga. So, physical activity, regular exercise, walking and yoga which controlling the heart diseases. Okay, children, today what are the topic we discussed today? The first one is smoking. Smoking is causes a major disease is called a cancer. So, smoking is injurious to the health. These are all the thing we discuss, and I show the demonstrated the experiment which is most important for creating awareness about smoking is so injurious to the health. Second one is alcoholism. Alcoholism actually a very most dangerous habit for higher educated people. By the way, lower people means that will be economically weaker section and middle class people. So, throughout that entire the world, this habit will be very common to everywhere. So, this will be eradicated by creating awareness. So, educate that people, it is a very bad behavior. Okay. And later we discuss about the mellitus of diabetes diseases. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a insulin defective disease, okay, due to the insulin secretion, that increasing your blood glucose level will be very high. Okay. So, there are two types of diabetes we discussed. Both the disease will be curable by means of making your changes of your lifestyle. Okay. And further we discussed about the heart diseases. Heart is a major organ in our body which is circulating blood to the entire parts of the body. There people are used to check your pulse rate, already you know it, there is a 72 times per minute. So, it is only a organ which work entire throughout your life from the birth to the death. Okay. The first organ which is developed in your body, that is a heart. So, heart is a major organ. So, very aware about heart and level to maintain the functions. Okay, is a very simple working function, but we are making to be more struggle and we are making our lifestyle miserable to the conditions of the heart. And heart is a coronary heart disease, that is called as CHD. This is due to happen for heredity based, otherwise our diet based or some lack of a physical activity. So, that children everyone should be known about the diseases, but how to be recover from it and how to be cure from the diseases. Only thing is educate, aware and avoid the bad habits. This is my gentle advice, that also you carry into your lifestyle. Okay. Generally the people those who are crossing the age of 20, they will be with the good habit, their entire life will be a well and good. By the way, this is opportunity when I give the wonderful advice to you, make your life without disease, it is a very important thing, because health is wealth. Thank you.